you off. Good.
Hey Cameron, what's the new food you're eating? Are you sucking on it?
Cool.
Let's hear that crunch.
Wow. I'm very excited to see it. You have to bring a picture. I am hoping
Eat that big
happy
piece.
birthday to the lady. I'll tell you to say happy birthday.
Eat that big piece.
I think I might try and go to the park or something. Thanks.
Oh, wow.
I'll tell her.
Good job, Cameron, you fatty.
Let me know if you guys can.
Oh, that wasn't enough. No way. That's Cameron, chill out. Chill out. Don't let her put any more of that in her mouth. Look at her, she's so much of a fatty.
Mama dear. Hi.
She realized she could bite it.
Yeah.
You don't know what to do.
I love this, huh?
Say bye, Cameron. Say hi. Bye-bye.
Oh my goodness.
Say hi, Cameron, how old are you? Hey, Cameron, how old are you?
How old are you? How old are you, Cameron?
This is new for her, these foods. She was like mowing it.